Before you begin, remove the 2 rubber feet, the base enclosure, the battery, the M.2 solid-state drive, the power button board, the left fan, the right fan and IR board, and the system board. Removal. Remove the single P0 Phillips head screw that secures the audio board to the top cover. Using a flat-bladed tool, lift the audio board and gently pull it out from its cutout in the top cover and remove. Replacement. Pull the rubber flap gently to the back and push the audio board against the alignment posts of the cutout in the top cover. Press down on the rubber flap to set it back in place. Replace the single P0 Phillips head screw that secures the audio board to the top cover.